Okay, and after about an hour and a half here, you can see how the marinade has penetrated these steaks. They're changing color. They've gained a little bit of moisture, a little tenderness. And yeah, they're going to be really, really good. The finished steaks. Oh, that looks good. A quick slice. Caramelized onions. Blue cheese. Fresh tomato. I've got some Cajun spice. If you don't have Cajun spice, you know where to get it. All right, we're going to put the Cajun spice on there. So this is a dry rub. You rub it in, all that flavor. Yeah! Highest quality at the lowest possible price.